In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change the battery inside your Ford Key FOB. By doing it yourself, you'll save yourself some money and a trip to the dealership. It's really quite simple and you could do this in under a minute. Now this key fob is universal, so most likely if you're driving an F150, a Bronco, Explorer, Bronco Sport, you'll have a key fob that's similar to this. And if so, this procedure will work. All right, to get started, first of all, remove the emergency key, press this button over here, and it'll slide out. Next, you'll see that there is this big slit right here, okay? And we're going to just insert this key and twist, okay? Light twist. And you'll see that this cover is now somewhat loose, but it doesn't come off that easily if you're just tugging on it. So you have to kind of wiggle it. So put the key in between the key fob and the cover like so, and just kind of like press it down and wiggle it a little bit. There you go. The cover comes off. And voila, the battery is right there. You can see it's held in. It's hard to see, but there's a couple of clips here. So it's being held in. And what you want to do is take a pen or something with a small tip, because there is a little hole over here. And that's where you can stick the pen or whatever you may have, a little screwdriver. And then you just kind of wiggle the battery until it comes out. And there you go. The battery's out. Now in reverse, all you have to do is stick the battery inside first, and then push it down. Okay? And then put the cover back. The cover does have a little tab over here, so make sure you're sliding in this way. Okay? And then push the cover back on, put the key back in, and you're done. You don't have to reprogram it. It still has the same programming, and now you just saved yourself some money and a trip to the dealership. You can find a battery locally, pretty much anywhere, or you can find online like on Amazon. And if you want to buy this on Amazon, I do have a link in my description. But outside of that, that's it. Enjoy and take care.